On Sunday afternoon, two pulsar bikes collided head-on in a critical condition in Bisalgarh Boxanagar area in front of Forest Office. The doctors of Boxanagar Hospital referred three of them in Agartala GB Hospital after the incident. According to the details of the incident, a 220 bike bearing the number TR07G5913 was heading towards Boxanagar and another unnumbered Pulsar 220 bike was heading towards Bisalgarh when it collided in front of Boxanagar Forest Department office. The rider fell to the side of the road. The people of the area heard the loud noise of the accident and they were first rescued and taken to Boxanagar Social Health Center. The doctor on duty referred them to the GB hospital for the first aid treatment. A young man named Mujibur Rahman from the Boxanagar Nayanjala area was seriously injured in this accident. Sanjeev Sarkar, 18 years old, and Rakibul Hussain, 28 years old, who were on the bike, were injured. They were also given first aid and referred to Agartala GB Hospital for advanced treatment. However, Mujibur Rahman suffered severe injuries on his face and head. As far as news is concerned, Mujibur regained consciousness after fighting with death for 2 hours. Reported by Mosara from Sunamra, Chini, Khorang.